Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, pre-market preparations. We are Tuesday, January 23rd. Believe it or not, January is almost behind us. So, how is everybody doing this morning, this evening, this afternoon, wherever you are in the world? Wait, I will shut myself up. 1 second. Where is it coming from? Hi, for those who don't know me, my name is Tamir, Fibonacci-Traders.com, 7 years, just a little bit more than 7 years, professional trader, 5 years, consistent, profitable trader. So, started off a little bit off today. Let's see what pre-market is telling us. Pre-market, the 15 minutes broke above the yellow zone, now the 48.60 resistance. This yellow zone needs to hold the support. And the 2 hours, what do we have? We have this area of support. 1 second. This area of resistance, and then we have this resistance, and to the downside we will see this one and this one. These are the 2 hours, but if we want, we can be a little bit. 1 second. What happened today? What happened today? Maybe we need to start again the live. What do you say, production crew? Start again. Put the music. 1 second. I'm putting the music on. I'll be with you. 10 seconds. Okay, hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. We are restarting this live. Now we will start it on the right foot. We have here US 500 15 minutes breaking above the yellow zone. Now the 48.60 is the resistance. Above it we will see the 48.65. This is how it looks on the 2 hours chart. Basically moving sideways between 48.50 and 48.60. We have Netflix coming up today after the bell earnings. So, who is with me? Say hi. Don't be shy. Hi, Orin. Thank you very much for joining. Eran, Yosef, Ronen, Ingrid. Hi, Tamir. Hi, Ingrid. Good to see you too. When can I know PLTR going to the top of the channel? Hi, Asha. Thank you very much for joining. Hi, Ron. Thank you very much. How are you this morning, this evening? Hi Alon, UPST will be right up. Hi Mark, thank you very much for joining. I appreciate taking the time off the busy day, the busy schedule, and joining me this live. It's not something that I'm taking off as granted. So once again, thank you very much. Just hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's go over real quick on the SPY, Qs and Friends on the daily recap. SPY yesterday closed the day with a doji, nasty price action on the SPY. Look at the 65 minutes. Look at this nasty price action. All the day. 6 candles of 65 minutes just moving sideways. Basically no price action. Doji after doji. And if we see something like this, first if we see a doji, it means we do nothing. Why? Because doji is the most significant signal in technical analysis. Market is just doing nothing, and if the market is doing nothing, we should do nothing as well. This is the Qs now, also with the doji. 420 needs to hold, otherwise we will go and retest the yellow zone. The yellow zone is a very important area of support and resistance. By the way, for those who still don't know, this indicator is not just any indicator. This is the tool, this is the FSD, this is the GPS of technical analysis for future price action. This is the FTI version 4 beta. Why beta? Why version 4? Because we had so many versions. Trial and error for 7 long years. I've been looking, I've been searching for the right tool to give me what I need. And what I need is what every trader needs. What do we need? Some tool to help us make the best decisions. Now, nothing is 100%, but we need the tool to help us to make the best decisions we can according to our risk tolerance, according to our trading psychology. So I've decided to develop one myself. Not myself, I hired developers. I don't know anything about writing a code. I hired developers and I've poured all my knowledge about Fibonacci, trend lines, risk management, everything under one roof. This is the FTI version 4 beta. And as you can see, we got ourselves a sell signal once. Over here, we had a sell signal. Why? Because price reached the yellow zone and got rejected. Here we got ourselves a buy signal because after a downtrend, we had 2 dojis, and we know that once we see a doji, high probability, and the opposite trend will arrive. And in this candle, we got ourselves a buy signal, and we have this yellow zone. And as long we are above the yellow zone, above the green trend line, this green line, not the trend line, this line is our risk management. And by the way, everything is automation. This is with the FTI. This is without an FTI. It makes our lives as traders super easier. Not easy. We are still in charge. We still need to think a little bit, but we think less. Our emotions don't kick in because we don't need to think too much. Let's take example for the Dow Jones. Buy signal. Why? Because we are still inside an uptrend channel above the yellow zone. All good. Tesla, for example, tomorrow after the bell we have the earnings. No need to think. Should I buy Tesla? What about Tesla? Where to put my stop loss? Should I buy? Should I sell? What to do? I don't know. Yes, now you can do. With up to 80% accuracy, we are under the sell pressure inside a very steep downtrend. We are below the yellow zone. The yellow zone is support and resistance. And as long as we are below this yellow zone, inside this downtrend channel, what should we do with Tesla? If we want to go long, nothing. There is no long signal. The FTI helps us to make better decisions up to 80% accuracy on any time frame. UPST for Alon. Easy time. Alon. UPST. Let's check UPST. Why don't get UPST on the chart? Something is really off. This is UPST without the FTI. What do we need to do? We need to look left. We need to take our Fibonacci. Where to put the Fibonacci? Where's the recent low, recent high? Is this the recent low? This is the recent high? Nice. This is the support we have. Over here, we have a gap. 31 is holding. Next is a 40. But if I want to go long, where should I put my stop? But also we have this trend line as resistance and this trend line as support. So what should I do? Just put the FTI version 4 beta on the chart. And look at this. Broke above this downtrend channel. We got ourselves yesterday by signal because we broke above the downtrend channel. We broke above and closed above the yellow zone. Now we still have time for UPST earnings. Long continuation above 38. And then you have this green line that will follow you As long as UPST is going up, you will see this green line follow you to manage your risk. So if we went yesterday long on UPST, our risk management, aka stop loss, should be 32.89. No need to think. It's that simple. It's that much more. It's not super easy. It makes things much, much more easier. The FTI version 3, everything, all my knowledge under one roof, and every day more updates coming up because more data is I'm pouring in this indicator. Hi Mark, hi Asaf, Itzik, Eldad, Sparty Games, hello, hello, Yaniv, hi, Yosef, hi. If we can just keep this chat, it's still an English speaking channel, so if we can just keep our chat in English, will be much appreciated. We have viewers from all around the world, so please keep it in English. RKK, inside downtrend channel, inside this yellow zone. Why we got ourselves the buy signal? It tells to us that this downtrend channel, downtrend might be over, but we need to wait. We need to wait for another candle to break above and close above the yellow zone, and then we will see the buy signal getting stronger. What else? BB for Yaniv. YB is asking for BB. No need nothing. What do we have? Fibonacci. Trend lines broke above this trend line, broke above the yellow zone, long continuation above 360, and then 370, 384, and then back to this upper trend line. When is the report? Wow, we have time for the report. So BB, thank you very much. I'm adding this alert. It's going to my watch list. Thank you very much, Yaniv, for this great opportunity. Hi, Avia, thank you very much. Box to close the gap below and then gap above. No one knows. All we need to do is prepare for both sides. We put our FTI version 4 beta on the chart, and what does it tell us? Here we are, doji off a trend line, off a Fibonacci, very tough area of resistance, this area, the 27 area, very tough resistance, doji gap, some kind of a pullback, closing this gap, and then we need to see this yellow zone holding, and then we need to look for the next bounce up. Ron, please look at RSP and IWM. They are not strong as other. Ron, hi, thank you very much for joining it again. And once again, you did not watch my daily market recap. I go over all these names. The SPY, the Qs, the Dow Jones, the IWM, Bitcoin, Ethereum, KRE, all the big names, all the Mag 7 and more. IWM, we have a buy signal. Yesterday closed 2.14 to the upside. We got ourselves a buy signal. Why? Because two consecutive dojis off a trend line. This trend line hold. We got ourselves breaking up and above and closing above the yellow zone. Now continuation above the 197 towards the 200. So IWM looks pretty strong. Relative strength to the rest. For this relative strength to the SPY and the Qs, yesterday SPY closed 0.2, Qs closed 0.3, IWM closed 2.14. Maybe we have some momentum change. Money coming up from the SPY, money coming up from the Qs. They are both with new all-time highs. Now, let's see a push for IWM. New all-time highs. Can we get it before the end of Q1 for 2024? So please, next time, everyone, before we join this live, I'm not just making all these videos, 2 or 3 videos a day. Please check them out. It's for you. It's not for me. It's for you. VNO. We got ourselves a buy signal. We got ourselves a close above the yellow zone. Earnings, still have time. Long continuation above the 28.60 and then crawling up below this trend line, breaking above this area. We will see 30 and the rest of the areas to the upside. This is VNO. This indicator, Raiden, is not free. If you want, we have a waiting list. For now, we have waiting list for this indicator. You're more than free to write your name on this waiting list. And if you want to pass the waiting list and to jump ahead, all we have to do, we have, one second, we have this. So check it out. It's not letting me anything to do. Please bear with me today. We have a special bundle, monthly subscription to the gold membership. Together with the FTI, you will gain access to all the Discord channels. You will gain access to everything. We have a trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew, premium room, exclusive swing lounge, options, crypto, general chat, Zoom meetings, group learnings, and more and more. This is all under the gold membership. Usually $59 per month. And the FTI, you'll gain access, of course, to the FTI and to the special room only for the FTI users. But with this bundle, by the way, the FTI costs normal $59. So if you want the FTI and the gold, it's $118. Now, both only $89 per month. Why? Because one trade with the FTI, you will gain maybe a yearly worth of subscription, maybe more. So this is the link. What else do we have? What do you think about Logi? What is Logi? Logitech. What do we think? We had earnings, went down, pretty nasty. Nothing. I don't think nothing. The only thing I think, stay away. This is my opinion on Logi. What else? Logitech. What else do we have? CVNA. CVNA yesterday broke above the downtrend channel, broke above the yellow zone. Look how easy it becomes when you have everything on one chart. And of course, we have a video with all the explanations, how to use it, what are all the settings means if you want to change them. We have a special video and you have my full support on this indicator. Full support. This is why we have a special channel for this indicator. CVNA. Now let's see continuation above the 50. Let's put an alert also here. Long above 50.20 and then we have all the levels to the upside. PLTR. What can we say about PLTR? Let's see this yellow zone holding. We have a buy signal, break above the downtrend channel, closed above the yellow zone, but closed with a nasty doji. This yellow zone needs to hold. I would prefer another day closing above this yellow zone and then looking for an entry to go long. APPN. APPN. What is APPN telling us? Look at the chart. What can you learn from what you see? APPN without FTI and with the FTI. Downtrend channel. Below a sell signal. Yesterday, we got a first buy signal because it's trying to break above the yellow zone, but it doesn't mean we need to go long. It means that if you are short on APPN, it's time to reconsider your short position and maybe manage your risk a little bit more tighter. This is all it means. It's not a sell signal. We need a break and a close above the yellow zone. And in my opinion, I also would wait. And it doesn't matter what the FTI tells me. I'm still a human being. I still have my brain. I would wait for a weekly or maybe two closing above this downtrend line. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Yaniv. I do appreciate this super chat. The only problem, I don't know how to put it on the chart. Thank you very much, Yaniv. Appreciate it very much. ANF. ANF, from what I know, yeah. Uptrend. Uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. Beast. Look at this. ANF. Amben, Corby, and Fitch. I'm waiting for some kind of a pullback, drawdown, something on this beast, but it's not coming. I'm waiting since here, since 78, 79. I'm waiting for a pullback. Never came. I'm not chasing. If you're already long, congratulations. Uptrend until proven otherwise. You have the green line over here. Look at this. This green line tells you how to manage your risk, aka your stop loss. Your stop loss for now needs to be here. 98.80. This is your stop loss. Thank you very much, Raiden. Hi, Faiz. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you, Orin. AESH. Aish. What about Marvel? Marvel. Yesterday threw me out. I think threw me out. No, I'm still in. Did not throw me out because we have the stop loss. Our stop loss now is here. 67, 65. Let me just put it on silent. Marvel, as long as we are above this yellow zone, we are good to go. Long continuation. Intel. For alone, 2 more days for Intel. I would stay away. 2 more days on Intel until earnings. If I'm long, I would close. If I'm no position, I would wait after. I'm waiting. ANF 2 months. Yeah, it's not coming. It's not coming. So you have 2 choices on ANF. Or to go long now, or keep waiting. And that's it. This is your options. Thank you. CRDO we took yesterday long in our Discord exclusive swing lounge. Yesterday we took long. It closed above. It closed above the yellow zone, above a buy signal, and the weekly. Look at this. We don't need anything, right? Super strong, all-time highs, CRDO. We are long in our premium, in the Fibonacci-Traders Discord team. This team, the Fibonacci-Traders Discord team, is growing each and every day. More and more professional traders, day trading, swing trading, options trading. More and more traders are coming and joining this elite team because, as I said, and you all know me, one of my top 5 goals in the first 6 months, already 1 month over, we have 5 more months. Join me on this super hard, super tough journey but super rewarding and magnificent, and to become consistent, profitable trader. And by the way, for those who don't know, for those who listen to other YouTubers or other TikTokers or other, I don't know which Instagrammers, to become professional, profitable traders, you don't need to do it full-time job. You don't. You can keep your job, your daily job, and become profitable professional trader, swing trader. All you need to do is go over charts during the weekend, like I do, around 700 names. I go each and every weekend, around 700 names. And from those names, I have my watch list for the next week. Usually it's around 13 names. And that's it. You put alerts and you come every day in the last 30 minutes of the trading day, 30 minutes before the closing bell, and you check. Did your alert set off? Is it time to go long or not? Manage your risk for the opening positions. All this, you can become profitable, professional, working half a day, half hour a day, looking at charts, and weekend, putting the work. You can do it. I can teach you how. I've been there. I've done it. You know me. I'm a man of my word, because my name, everything I put out, every word I put out, my name is behind that word. And I'm a man of my word. And my name is more important to me than any profit, anything in the world. So, any other questions? Any other requests? So today we have Netflix, tomorrow we have Tesla, Apple in the end of the month, also Meta in the end of the month, Microsoft end of the month, AMD end of the month, Google, Amazon, Nvidia we still have time, Tesla we said tomorrow, Shopify still have time, but we entered the most crucial 2 weeks of this earnings season. TTD. Time to go long. I don't know, you tell me. Ask FTI. What does FTI tells you? First, when is the earnings? Still have time. Buy signal. Broke above downtrend channel. Closed above the yellow zone. That's it. Now all you need to do is wait for this yellow zone, this gap to hold. Long continuation above 71. And then you have all the levels to the upside. Good morning, Lital. How are you this morning? So if you want, this is the special FTI room only for the FTI users. And if you join the bundle, you will get the FTI access. You will get FTI exclusive channel access and the trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew. As you can see, the premium for day trading is very, very active. Not much of a, we don't talk too much because we all speak the same language. And we don't post any setups. We post A+, the most actionable setups we can find. You have also the exclusive swing lounge. You have options room. You have crypto miners. You have general chat where you can ask anything about anything. We have Zoom meetings, and the same goes for Hebrew. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this live. Taking some time off the day-to-day stuff, news. I hope you enjoyed this live. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up in the Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much for joining. Until the next video, please stay safe. Thank you.